today's video we will want to click on the alert views first. Then we have to click on text entry. We have to enter some text, click on OK. Then we have to click on confirm and cancel. And first we have to extract this text to some point, get the text and click on confirm. So to get started, first to find the alert views, so click on alert views. So I can see the accessibility ID is alert views, so I can quickly write Appium by.accessibility ID alert views.click. Next I will click on it. Now I want to click on text entry. So text entry also has a accessibility ID as well as an iOS class chain as well as an iOS predicate strings. So we'll look into how to do by so yeah, there are two ways, like you can either use XPath or you can use iOS class chain. It is always recommended to use iOS class chain in iOS because XPath is a little slow. So for XPath, what you have to do is this: copy paste this. Okay, so copy paste this. Sorry, it also has an XPath, and you can do direct dot click. Next, I will click on this. Now I want the text input, so I will click on text input, and here you can see it is very complicated iOS class chain as well as iOS class path. So here you can see we have an XE UI element type text field, and this is only unique. This is unique throughout the app, so there is no other such thing. So what we can do is we can just use **/XEUI element text field. You don't have to write the entire iOS class change. If it is very complicated, you can just take this last thing from the class chain. Sorry. Next we want to click on OK. Click on OK. It has an accessibility ID, so I will just pass accessibility ID. Next I want to click on confirm cancel. So confirm cancel has an accessibility ID which you can use. Also it has an iOS predicate string. So for iOS predicate string there are different ways of doing the iOS predicate string. One is you can first check the type. So first the type is XEUI element type static field, and then you can do something like this and label equal to confirm/cancel. The other way of doing the same thing is you can use iOS predicate string type and then the value as well, because the value is same. So here you can see value and name and label all are same, so you can use any of those. Also you can use a regular expression, so you can do something like and value begins with in bracket C, then you can just pass a confirm because it begins with confirm, or it can ends with cancel, so you can use either of that. Now we want this text, so what you could do is you can do ns predicate you can use accessibility ID, but you can use XEUI element static and begins with and value begins with a message and to get text, and I am printing the text. And last getting you don't have to provide type as well. If the label is unique, you can just pass the label in iOS ns predicate string. So yeah, that's it. Thanks, bye.